Today's story, Adaptation. All humans has been explorers since early times. The explorer new place. We have been blessed with extremely versatile body that can survive in harsh climates. We have spent the entire earth. We have adapted to the life, freezing cold polar regions, and the extreme heat of scorching deserts. Exploration has also helped man unravel the unknown space at and to map the debates on oceans. Scientists are finding ways to make special journey to space and oceans more comfortable our body. Look at desert life. Please like, share and comment and subscribe for my YouTube channel.